Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Wing This. Today is going to be something a little bit more fun. If I look a little bit rough, that's because I actually just finished shooting my last video in the attic installing the gable fan. If you haven't seen that yet, check in the corner right up here and you can click on that link and you can go watch that video. I haven't edited it yet, so it might be good, it might not. I don't know, probably not, but maybe. So today, this is going to be a little bit more of a fun project for me. You know, we're all stuck inside with the whole COVID-19 thing, and that's not a lot of fun, but people have been having fun with it, right? So I was scrolling through a meme site the other day, and I came across one that I thought was pretty funny. I'll put it on the screen here. It reminded me of my parents. They feed squirrels. It's actually pretty cute. They've got a really nice backyard. It backs up to some woods. They've got some really nice bird feeders. They have all kinds of birds that come and visit their backyard. I think I might have a picture of actually a squirrel eating some of the nuts that they put on the ground for them. So yeah, they enjoy the wildlife and it's great. And right now, with them being stuck inside, what a wonderful time to be able to enjoy your surroundings. So I saw that picture and I thought that would actually look really cute in their backyard. So I'm going to make one for them. Now, as with all things that I do on this channel, I don't really have a great plan for how I'm going to do this. I've got 8 1x3 by 27 inch pieces of wood. I think that's plenty to make a squirrel-sized picnic table. I'll probably have to rip some pieces down, cut them to length, yada, 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 all the stuff you do when you're building stuff. I don't really have a plan for it, so I'm just going to wing this like I do everything else. So yeah, let's wing this. So the first thing you have to do is actually get your workspace set up. Everybody knows that, right? Picnic table, bench. So this is 13 1/4. I've got 27 1/2. How perfect is that? All right, so there's my tabletop. These are gonna be my seats. This is gonna be a good sized picnic table for some squirrels. They're gonna like this. All right, so I gotta have something like this. I might have to do, yeah, I think we'll probably do 3 pieces for the top. All right, so there's my seats. So what kind of an angle do we use for the supports for the legs? 35? Say 35. Let's cut off 35 and see what that looks like. I don't know, he's kind of far away. I think it might have to be steeper. think 35 was too aggressive. Let's try 25. I think that's beautiful. What do you think? What do you think? About like yay? Is the seed about like yay? I think that's about right. All right, let's cut 4 of these. That's perfect. It is just perfect. Like that. And that'll go about like that. Oh, look at the cute little picnic table. And the little squirrels are gonna sit right on there. It'll be so cute. It's perfect. Love it. That's good. That's good. And look at the cute little tabletop. And look at that cute little table for squirrels. Look at that little picnic table. How cute is that? It's adorable. All right, the handle that sticks out in the back, twist it to the left, counterclockwise. All right, now pull down. And when you get it right where you want it, then twist it back to the right. There you go. You just got a new job. But it's 3 feet above my head, I can't see it.